Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your headphones JBL Tune 570 available on your iPhone? So I already installed the application what JBL offer for the headphones, and if we open it we can see list of supported devices. So click at the plus. And right here, firstly, we need to locate Tune series. Here it is, and our model is Tune 570. So if this application available for these headphones, we can see it at this device list. So we need to look for 570, and right here we have 525. There's not our headphones 520, also another model, and this is the last one, and we haven't it here. So my short answer is no, it's not available on your iPhone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.